Yo, what's up everyone, it's Mohammed Gebril, and if you're a content creator in 2024, you know the game is changing. We're talking next-level AI tools that are about to become your new secret weapon. Whether you're editing videos, writing scripts, or designing graphics, AI is stepping up to make your life easier and your content better. We're talking about tools that can analyze trends, predict what your audience wants, and even automate some of the most tedious parts of the creative process. It's like having a whole team of assistants working behind the scenes 24/7. So, in this video, we're diving deep into the 5 AI tools that I think are absolute game changers for creators like you. We'll break down how they work, what makes them special, and most importantly, how you can start using them to level up your content game today. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about AI video editors. Now you might be thinking AI editing my videos sounds risky, but trust me, this isn't some gimmicky feature. This is the real deal. We're talking about AI that can analyze your footage, understand the flow you're going for, and make intelligent cuts and transitions, all while keeping your style in mind. Imagine being able to automatically sync your audio and video, color correct your footage, and even add in those cool cinematic transitions, all with just a few clicks. That's the power of AI video editors. They take care of the tedious stuff so you can focus on the creative side of things. And the best part? These tools are getting smarter and more intuitive all the time. Some of these AI editors even come with built-in templates and stock footage libraries, so you can literally create professional-looking videos from scratch, even if you've never edited a day in your life. And because they're powered by AI, they're constantly learning and improving, which means your videos will only get better over time. Now, I know what you're thinking. Okay, Mohammed, sounds great, but which AI video editor should I actually use? Well, there are a ton of great options out there, but one that I've been really impressed with lately is Name of AI Video Editor. What I love about Name of AI Video Editor is that it's incredibly user-friendly, even if you're a complete beginner. But don't let that fool you. It's also packed with powerful features that even seasoned pros will appreciate. For example, it has this amazing feature called Specific Feature Name, that lets you explain what the feature does. It's seriously a game changer. And the best part, Name of AI Video Editor integrates seamlessly with all the major video editing software, so you can easily incorporate it into your existing workflow. Next up, let's talk about a problem that plagues every content creator at some point: writer's block. You're staring at a blank screen, the deadline is looming, and the ideas just aren't flowing. Well, what if I told you that AI can help you overcome writer's block and generate engaging scripts in minutes? No, I'm not kidding. AI script generators are here, and they're about to revolutionize the way you write. These tools use natural language processing and machine learning to analyze existing content, understand different writing styles, and generate original creative scripts tailored to your specific needs. Need a script for a YouTube video? Done. How about a catchy Instagram caption or even a full-blown blog post? No problem. Just feed the AI some basic information like your topic, target audience, and desired tone, and watch it work its magic. Now I know what you're thinking. Will it sound robotic? Will it actually sound like me? And that's a valid concern. But the truth is, these AI script generators are getting incredibly good at mimicking human writing. They can adapt to your unique voice and style, so the final product sounds like it was written by a human you. Plus, you still have full control over the creative process. You can edit the AI-generated script, add your own personal touch, and make sure it aligns perfectly with your vision. Think of it as having a brainstorming partner who's always available to bounce ideas off of and help you get those creative juices flowing. One AI script generator that I've been experimenting with a lot lately is Name of AI Script Generator. It's incredibly versatile and can generate scripts for a wide range of content formats. I've used it for everything from YouTube video outlines to social media posts, and I've been consistently impressed with the quality and creativity of the output. Chapter 3, AI, Graphic Design, Level Up Your Visuals. Okay, let's talk visuals. In the world of content creation, eye-catching graphics are non-negotiable. Whether it's a stunning thumbnail that grabs attention or a sleek Instagram post that pops, visuals matter. But not all of us are design gurus, right? That's where AI graphic design tools come in. These tools are like having a personal graphic designer on call 24/7, ready to bring your visual ideas to life. We're talking about AI that can generate logos, design social media posts, create infographics, and even whip up some pretty impressive illustrations. And the best part? You don't need any prior design experience to use them. Most of these tools are incredibly user-friendly with drag-and-drop interfaces and tons of templates to get you started. Just input your ideas, choose your style, and let the AI handle the rest. Now, I know what you're thinking. Will it look generic, like will it actually capture my brand's aesthetic? And that's a fair point. But the truth is, these AI graphic design tools are getting really good at understanding and adapting to different styles. You can input your brand colors, fonts, and even examples of designs you like, and the AI will use that information to create something that's uniquely yours. One AI graphic design tool that I've been blown away by is Name of AI Graphic Design Tool. It's incredibly intuitive to use, and the results are consistently impressive. I've used it to create everything from YouTube thumbnails to Instagram stories, and it's become an indispensable part of my content creation workflow. Chapter 4. AI Voiceover, your voice, but better and always available. Alright, let's talk about voiceovers. A great voiceover can make or break your video content. It sets the tone, engages your audience, and brings your message to life. But finding the right voiceover artist, booking recording sessions, and dealing with audio editing can be a real hassle. Not to mention it can get pretty expensive. But what if I told you there's a way to get high-quality, professional voiceovers without breaking the bank or jumping through hoops? That's where AI voiceover software comes in. These tools use advanced text-to-speech technology to convert your written words into natural-sounding speech. And we're not talking about those robotic voices from the early 2000s. AI voiceover software has come a long way. We're talking about incredibly realistic voices with different accents, tones, and even emotional inflections. You can choose a voice that fits your brand, your message, and your target audience, and the best part? You can generate unlimited voiceovers on demand without having to wait for anyone or pay extra fees. Now I know what you're thinking. Okay, but will it sound natural? Like, will people actually think it's me? And that's a valid concern. But the truth is, AI voiceover technology has gotten so good that it's often difficult to distinguish from a real human voice. Of course, it might not be perfect for every situation, but for things like explainer videos, social media content, or even just testing out different voiceover styles, AI voiceover software can be an absolute game changer. One AI voiceover tool that I've been really impressed with is Name of AI Voiceover Software. It offers a wide range of incredibly realistic voices, and the interface is super easy to use. You can literally type in your script, choose your voice, and generate a high-quality voiceover in minutes. Chapter 5. AI Analytics. Understand your audience like never before. Finally, let's talk about the data behind the content. As creators, we're constantly trying to figure out what works, what doesn't, and how to reach more people with our message. But analyzing all that data can be overwhelming, right? Well, that's where AI analytics tools come in. These tools take the guesswork out of content strategy by using machine learning to analyze your audience data, track your performance, and even predict future trends. We're talking about AI that can tell you exactly what kind of content your audience wants to see, when they want to see it, and where they're most likely to engage with it. Imagine being able to predict which video topics will perform best, optimize your content for different platforms, and even personalize your messaging based on individual user preferences. That's the power of AI analytics. Now, I know what you're thinking, sounds complicated. Is this just for big creators with tons of data? And the answer is no. There are AI analytics tools out there for creators of all sizes. Whether you're just starting out or you've got a massive following, these tools can help you make smarter decisions about your content and grow your audience faster. One AI analytics tool that I highly recommend checking out is Name of AI Analytics Tool. It's super user-friendly, even if you're not a data geek, and it provides actionable insights that you can actually use to improve your content strategy. The future of content creation is here. So there you have it, guys. Those are my top 5 AI tools for content creators in 2024. From AI video editors that make editing a breeze to AI analytics tools that help you understand your audience like never before, these tools are revolutionizing the way we create content. And the best part? This is just the beginning. As AI continues to evolve, we can expect even more powerful and intuitive tools to emerge, making the content creation process easier, faster, and more accessible for everyone. So my advice to you is this: Don't be afraid to experiment. Try out these AI tools, see how they fit into your workflow, and discover how they can help you take your content to the next level. The future of content creation is here, and it's powered by AI. Are you ready to embrace it? Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.